YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, what it do? Dap your boy up. You already know. If this is your first time here and you enjoy content like this, maybe consider hitting subscribe. Viltrox actually sent this light out to me to do a review. This is going to be the Weeylite Ninja 300. What I thought was very interesting about this light was the price. It uses an app. It's very small and portable. It can even be powered by batteries. So I thought it would be like a really dope light to share with my audience in case you guys are in the market for a new softbox and lighting kit. I think that this would be a great option. And of course, I do have some discount codes for you guys linked down in the description if you guys are interested in checking this light out. Let's go ahead, get inside the box and let's see what we get. You get this really nice high quality case. You get your light, you get a reflector. You have extra straps, which is used to go around your shoulder. You have the power supply, the remote control, and the manual. It is actually really tiny, y'all. So this is my iPhone 13, pretty small in my opinion. You got your LCD right here on the back, which will display the information about your light, like the brightness. You have a few dials right here that we'll go over. Right here on the front, you have a protector. So it's a button right here, you press down, twist. This is called a COB light, chip on board, and here is your chip. On the side, you have two connection points, which you can connect the Weeylite external battery. Weeylite sent me out the standard package, but they offer this light set in a few different flavors. The front end on this is not Bowens, it is a Weeylite mount. I do have a converter that I'll show you in a second, which can convert the Weeylite mount to a standard Bowens mount. First impressions of this light right here, it is very small and lightweight. Honestly, very easy to carry around. It could probably, now I can't technically fit in my pocket, but it's very small. You can rotate the light to any angle that you desire. I do notice right here, like when you go, it rubs the lip on the top part, but it still makes it around. This is a 5600 Kelvin color temperature light, which is equivalent to daylight color temperature. You do have 12 effects. This is also smart app control. To get this set up on a stand, you're gonna use this part right here. You're gonna twist, put it in on the stand, and then you're gonna use this knob right here to tighten it up. Take this off so I can get ready to mount something. Boom, twist, reflectors on, just aim it towards you right here, and as you can see, woo, super bright. Weeylite also sent out their VP-05, which is a softbox modifier. You use this to soften the light onto your face. This is a 65 centimeter, which is equivalent to 25 inches. To put it together, it's the umbrella style. So all you gotta do is just press down on each of these, click all of these like here at the bottom. To insert the diffusion, you just connect the little Velcro to the inside of the Velcro. To connect the outer diffusion, you just connect the Velcro to Velcro. This particular softbox right here uses a Bowens mount. A Bowens mount is basically like the standard mount for modifiers. It's what pretty much everybody uses, which is this mount. So if you notice on the Weeylite itself, like I can't mount this on here, that's why you need this. This converter right here is the Weeylite VP-05. It is just a little plastic converter which has the Weeylite connection and it has the Bowens mount connection on this side. Connect this, I'm just gonna attach it and then you twist it on there. And then you're gonna take the Bowens softbox and you're gonna connect it to the other side. I could technically mount this directly to a light stand, but this is gonna be better because I got more options to angle it. It doesn't like go forward or down, so you're better off just using the Weeylite's mount. This is what the light looks like all put together. The diffusion is making the light softer, so it looks kind of harsh on my face probably because of the way that this is. So I want to share a few examples of me lighting myself with this new light. So this is me lighting myself with the reflector. See, is pretty much a spotlight on me. Here's an example of me using a Weeylite modifier. And here's a side-by-side using a reflector versus a softbox. So right here I have two softboxes. One is bigger and one is smaller and one has a grid. Here is the grid. And this is the grid off at the same percentage of brightness. The grid on makes the light more directional. Grid off makes it spill everywhere. Now here's a dramatic look with the light boomed above with the grid on and the grid off. Now this is how I normally light myself. With the key light up to the left, it's very important to get that catch light inside your eye when lighting yourself. And this would be a final look with all my other lights on. Cool beans. Quick look at this interface. So you got your input for the power, you got the USB Type-C. This is going to be used to update this device. This is the menu button. You have an on and off switch, and you have a dimmer knob. You have a battery symbol right here which shows your power. This is going to be useful if you're using this with an external battery. You have the percentage of light, 5600 Kelvin, because this is a daylight temperature light. If we tap the menu or mode button, now we're in scene. I can change the speed to slow or fast, and I can also adjust the different scene modes. So this is going to be like fireworks, campfire. Let's see what that looks like. If you hold this down, this is how you set your grouping channel, so you can connect your phone with the app or the remote control. If you tap the mode button, you now go into the temperature. So I can rotate this to select for it to show the temperature on here. You got the fan mode as well. So right now I got the fan off, but if I click this in, I can turn the fan on. Very straightforward interface, and I think it's very easy to understand and get it. Quick look at the app. You got your CCT mode, which is your white. You also have your scenes here, and you can easily control it, turn it on and off, increase the brightness, change the scenes inside this app. I do have some cons with this though. My first con with this light is gonna be the fan noise. And this is obviously super close to it. I would say that this is 2.5 feet. I guess it's good. I can just physically hear it. Yeah, what do you guys think about this fan noise? You can turn the fan off like I showed you guys earlier, but what I don't like is when the fan is off, you run into the problem of the light could possibly get too hot and break, or you know, something can happen. I wish they had like a silent fan mode. If this light is on and I'm on the opposite side of my room, I can hear the fan noise. I can notice it. In video, if I do a setup where I have my mic boomed over like I do now, my mic is here, and if the light was over here lighting me, you would not hear the sound. I did notice when you turn the fan off, you lose connection of app and remote control. Besides the fan noise, I really do think this is a great light, and I'm going to be using this in my setup. You will need to purchase the Softbox separate. I think that this converter was like an extra 20, so you do got to add that too. Viltrox has this on sale at a 20% discount for $135, and on top of that, I also have a 10% off that you guys can apply. I hope that you guys learned something from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to leave your boy a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And remember guys, never stop creating. Deuces. I don't know what to do with my hands. Hey, hey.